Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Looking to give your hair a nice reddish brown tinge? You can opt for the natural route instead of using a chemical infused color treatment. Chemical hair color gives you instant results, but they contain harsh, harmful chemicals resulting damages and breakdown of hair cuticles, slow down hair growth, accelerates aging of hair and scalp. Natural hair color treatment gives results slowly, but it is more beneficial in long term. Natural hair color protects hair cuticles, promotes hair growth, prevents aging of hair and scalp. So, let's see how to make natural hair color at home. Take a beetroot. It must be washed and clean. Peel it off. Beetroot contains natural red pigment, helps to give deep red color. This root is packed with fiber, folate, iron, manganese, will strengthen your hair. Cut into small pieces. Then transfer into the mixture jar. Add 4 to 5 red hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is full of antioxidants and vitamins necessary for the production of melanin, the pigment that gives the hair its natural color. Add a cup of water to make a fine paste. Take care that the paste should not be too watery. Then grind to form a smooth thick paste. After grinding, transfer the paste into a bowl. Then take 4 to 5 cloves. Make clove powder and add it to the paste. Cloves are great source of beta carotene, which helps to give rich brown color. After that, slowly add 3 to 4 tablespoons heena powder to the paste until it becomes a smooth and thick paste. Once the mask appears to be at right consistency, apply on your hair. Wrap your hair with shower cap and leave the mask for minimum 3 hours. Then wash off with water. In single application, you will see little effect. Apply this mask regularly, once a week, to get a darker shade. This hair mask also acts as a natural hair conditioner. You will get a silky, shiny, stronger hair as well. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel.